Lesson 1, Course Introduction. Welcome to Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion. In this course, we'll explore the fascinating science behind why people say yes and how you can apply these principles ethically in your life. Think of influence like a chess game where every move matters, but instead of moving pieces, you're understanding and working with human psychology. Over the next 10 lessons, you'll learn proven strategies that can help you become more persuasive while also protecting yourself from unwanted influence. You might not realize it, but influence is happening all around you every single day. It's in the TV commercial that makes you hungry for a snack. It's in the street musician who places a few dollars in their guitar case to encourage others to donate. It's even in the waiter who repeats your order back to you, building a small connection that might lead to a better tip. These aren't random events. They're carefully crafted influence techniques backed by decades of research. Think about the last time you bought something you hadn't planned to buy, or agreed to help someone with a project when you were already busy. Chances are, specific psychological principles were at work in those moments. By understanding these principles, you'll be better equipped to make conscious choices rather than automatic responses. What you'll learn. In this course, we'll examine Dr. Robert Cialdini's famous 6 principles of influence: reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, liking, authority, and scarcity. We'll also cover his newer 7th principle, unity. Each principle represents a fundamental way humans make decisions. For example, reciprocity explains why you feel compelled to send a holiday card to someone who sent one to you, while social proof explains why you're more likely to try a restaurant with a long line outside. What makes this course different is our focus on both sides of influence, how to use it, and how to defend against it. You'll learn to spot influence attempts in your daily life, like when a salesperson uses artificial scarcity, only 2 left in stock, to push for a quick decision. More importantly, you'll learn how to use these principles ethically in your own life, whether you're trying to get your ideas heard at work, raise money for a good cause, or simply become more persuasive in your daily interactions. Becoming skilled at influence isn't about manipulating others. It's about understanding human psychology and using that knowledge responsibly. Like learning any new skill, mastering influence takes practice and patience. But with each lesson, you'll get better at recognizing and applying these principles in your daily life. Ready to begin? Let's start with our first principle in the next lesson: reciprocity, the powerful urge to return favors that's wired into human nature. Lesson 1.